Shawty bad, slim, thick. She my drug, she my fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm gonna have to call her back.
Rate your experience, 1 to 10. 10. To 10? What about you?
A 9.
It's a 9? Okay, what would you improve?
It's just like too sweet.
What? Okay, so we're like at this place. Like, what would you call this? Like an outdoor...
You're like the expert. You're supposed to know.
I haven't been here before. Okay, so we're at this place called the Royal Croquet Club. And honestly, I don't even really know what croquet is, but it's not this.
Maybe you should just leave me your digits and I'll keep an eye out.
So the building that I live in just had like a movie night. So I was like, okay, let me like check it out for a minute. It was like such a bad movie. Like I only stayed for maybe like 10 minutes and I was like, I don't know what this is. It's a bunch of talking dogs. And I love dogs. I love dogs just as much as the next girl. But they don't need to be like talking and like, yeah, I was also late, so like I was like 15 minutes late to the movie, but like I have no idea what it was about, and so if you guys know what movie that is, let me know. Beats me. So I walked around for like, I don't know, like an hour and a half-ish. Now I'm on campus and I'm about to go see what they're talking about with this free breakfast. Because it's like almost 9:30-ish. So, Alright, so I made it to the roof and the free breakfast turned out to be a grilled cheese, juice, and or coffee, but I chose the juice, and fruit. So, you know, I'm just up here with my laptop, obviously. But, you know, breakfast isn't all I thought it'd be, but it's not terrible. I did change my top because it did get a lot warmer, even though it's still a little bit chilly on the roof. I'm feeling good. When I stopped in my room to change, I started feeling like what's that guy's name? That guy's name on Drake's album. Oh, hold on, let me look it up.
Been awake for 24 hours, so took a left turn there, but
This
very
guy.
much 6 a.m. Slightly been awake for 24 hours, so please forgive me. More ideas and stuff coming. Yeah, fam, I'm waffling.
That's
Tired, fam. Jesus Christ.
tired, fam. Jesus Christ, that's how I feel. Like, that's me. I know it's been a lot of like just talking. This vlog, I'm sorry. It's not even like good talking, like happy talking. We can talk about my outfits if you want to. So I got this top from Forever 21, as I feel like I get all my outfits from now that I like say it in these vlogs. I'm like, oh, this is from Fashion Nova, this is from Forever 21, and guess where my pants are from? Fashion Nova. Hey guys, so I'm about to do a little unboxing of my new Quay sunglasses, and I've never bought a pair of Quay sunglasses, but I remember when I worked at Nordstrom, they used to sell them all the time, but they sold them for like $80, $90, $100, and since I'm in Australia, I was like, oh, let me try out a pair of these sunglasses because I'm already here. Like, I'm sure it's cheaper because there's no like import fees or anything. It's just made in Australia. So I bought a pair of the Desi Perkins collaborations, and they're the high key sunglasses in the gold. I bought the minis. I didn't want the big ones just because I have a pretty small nose, and even though I love oversized sunglasses, like my nose can't support it always, and I didn't want to take that risk. So I bought the minis, and I'm really excited. So here we go.
Let's open this bad boy. I also don't have a pair of scissors, so I'm going to use a pin to just break open the tape. Ow, oh, ow, I don't like hurt myself.
So, okay, it comes in this plastic. You open the plastic. It comes in a cute little case, actually. It's like a clear case so you can see what sunglasses are in here. That is so innovative. Honestly, I wish that more places did that, because when they give you the dark sunglass case, you don't know what's in there, especially Ray-Ban. If you had several pairs of Ray-Bans and all of the cases were dark, you have to open them to see what's even in there. That's so annoying. So it just says Quay Australia, and Desi Perkins on it. I hate when people say times Desi Perkins or X Desi Perkins, you know, like X or something, like it's really by, like that's what the X means. It comes with a little cleaner, okay, and then it has the little tag on the side that says high key. I'm just gonna keep this on for right now because I don't feel like dealing with it, but they're cute. Okay, so they're a lot more transparent than I thought they'd be. I thought they were going to be like super reflective, like what other people were saying they were. I gotta admit, that's a little bit of a disappointment, honestly. Like, they're just not as reflective. Like, let me take my glasses off. Like, they're cute. The size is literally perfect. Like, it fits my face so perfectly. It gives everything kind of like a bluish tint to it. It's pretty good. It's a good amount of tinting. It doesn't cover the sides of my eyes, which sometimes I do like because the sunlight tends to get in, but it's cute. Let me put my glasses back on so I'm not blind. They just aren't what I was expecting. I just thought they were going to be a little bit different. Yeah, they're silver on the outside, which it's like one of those silvers that has like a tinge of gold to it. They're just not as gold as I thought. I thought they'd be like super gold, like gold frames, gold mirrors, like just bam, in your face reflection. These are really toned down sunglasses, which I'm a little disappointed by, honestly, if I'm being real. So I paid 75 Australian dollars, and I had to pay like something, I guess shipping was $6. I don't know what I paid. What does GST mean? If anybody's Australian and you know what GST means, I paid $6.82 for it. But the total was $75. General state tax, is that what that means? But the total was 75, so whatever. So it was about 60, maybe 62 US dollars, which is so significantly cheaper than what they charge at like Nordstrom or regular places that sell Quay. But you know, I'm not mad at it. I do really like them. Like, I really like them. They're really cute. You'll be seeing me in these a lot more. Looking a little bougie. Yeah. So I just wanted to come on and like share what I got, because do a little mini unboxing, because why not? When in Australia, buy some Quay sunglasses. I'm probably gonna buy more. Let's be real. Let's not even lie. I'm probably gonna buy some more, so stay tuned for maybe more reviews coming at you.